Okay, so the first basic flow is the welcome flow, and that can be literally anywhere between 3 and 30 emails, just depends on the brand and what you're doing. And that is triggered when somebody joins a list. So normally it goes hand in hand with a sign up form, and you could be asked, or you should be the one writing the sign up forms as well and testing different versions of it, because the better your sign up form, the more people you'll get into your welcome flow. So the welcome flow can include things like a welcome coupon, it can include the brand story, it can include social proof, it can include the best sellers or the values of the brand, and anything else that would basically tell the new customer who they're dealing with, why they're different and better than the competition, and why they should buy their product. And then also there should be an incentive to, of course, make the first purchase and get that customer from being a new subscriber to a purchase to someone who has purchased.